Hello, and thank you for coming to my channel. This is Kim. I am a designer with Country Craft Creations, and I received my October designer kit, and so I thought I would take a minute and show you what's inside. I'm going to start with a collection called Happy Honk-Oween, and this is an exclusive collection for Country Craft Creations. And when I first saw it on online, all I could see was these little pictures. I thought, okay. Well, once it got here and I looked at it, it is so stinking cute. I can't wait to make something. And so I'll go through each of these with you. On this first page, we always want to use these little squares too. We don't want to get rid of that. But you'll notice that there is also a design on the back that you can use. So that's really nice. These little cut aparts are super cute. The pumpkin is cute, the layers of pumpkins. I also really like it when there are words. I really like to add words to my projects, and so that's really nice. You've got your page tabs, your labels, some candy corn. Those little ducks are just adorable. And then you have kind of an orange wash. So you get two of those. So we have some border strips and some more sayings and words. These border strips are so cute. Look at that. Adorable. Then there's music in the background as they are walking and going trick-or-treating. We have, I don't know what size this one is actually. Let me see. The collection is 8 by 8. So the cut apart here is like 2 1/8 by about 4 1/8 for this one and this one. Okay, little ones here. Again, you could write titles or labels here. And then you have a purple. I love when they include purple with Halloween papers. You'll get 2 of those. I'm a tag girl, so I love all tags, and so I like the variety. Now, with these two being right next to each other, you could cut them out together, fold them in half, and make it more like a little tag booklet. That would be cute. And we have more plaid on the back. This is more of a, it kind of looks like an orange and a pink to me. And those tags, you will get 3 pieces. So from here on out, we'll get 3 of each of these designs. So you've got your witch duck with a pumpkin, and you've got an orange wash background. They're so cute. Purple background, they're flying at night on the broom. 3 of those. You guys, these are so much cuter in person. It was really hard to see when I looked at it online, and I was so pleasantly surprised. We have them trick-or-treating again to the little pumpkin houses. This little one's just sitting on the steps waiting. Then we have candy on the background, or on the B side. So we've got candy corn, the hard wrapped candy, and suckers. This is great for a little kid to put their pictures in from trick-or-treating. Then we have a full layout on this 8 by 8 piece. And on the back of this one, a nice circular pattern. There's orange, 2 different colors of green, and a pink and a purple. Okay, how cute is this one? It's picture frames with all these different ducks in it. So cute. And then this one right here, Your Majesty duck. Love it. And then on the back, it's just empty. So this would be great for you to add some smaller pictures. I thought that was pretty clever. Another full size design. The fall tree with lots of different ducks hanging out. The reverse side are 4 by 4 cards, different houses, and then a walkway at night. Okay, this is really pretty, this damask type pattern. And then we have some florals. So if you take a look, this looks really good together. These, especially this bottom right-hand side one, that looks so good with that floral paper. Okay. And our last one here, we have some sayings. There are some spider webs in the back. I hope you can see this okay. I keep getting a glare on my, maybe that will help. So there's spider webs in the background, and then the back is just the black spider background with the white spider webs. So that is a super cute collection. So if you were like on the fence and didn't really know, hopefully by seeing it, you realize how stinking cute it really is. And because it's printed for Country Craft Creations, the paper is so nice to work with. It's got a great feel to it. It's durable. Okay, so that's Happy Honk-Oween. Okay, it says it's a, oh, I've been saying a duck. I am not very farm smart. It's a goosey Halloween collection. I apologize. Duck, goose, they're all foul, right? So at least I was close. Okay, so then we're going to move to a new holiday, and that is Christmas. So I will be working with the Cartabella collection. This is called Christmas in the City. You've got your chipboard stickers, great traditional Christmas colors. I like the combination of the snowflakes, the flowers, the bulbs, but the words also. I don't know what it is, but I love putting words on my pages. And then I really like using these decorative brads because they are really just stickers, but they look like a brad. And then you have a couple tags down here with the brads too. I love the stripe one, like the candy cane, the bulbs. I like it that there's plain ones. Nice. So let's take a look at the paper that I'll be working with. Now, one nice thing is there are a lot of different designs in this. And so it gives you a nice variety. It's stuck. Ugh. So I'll start with the sticker sheet. Make sure I'm in frame here. I want you to be able to see it all. Maybe that's better. All right. So the sticker sheet. Do you know I've never had a real Christmas tree? Always fake, always, even as a kid. Never had them. But I don't really like the smell of pine though either. Okay, so we have a city street with wreaths on the windows. Here they're window shopping. I always love the snow globes. Nutcracker. Okay, so that is our sticker sheet. So the cut aparts, these are 3x4s. I really like Cartabella, probably because of the texture of the paper. I really think that that makes it stand out. All right. Cute ice skates. I think I have a die of ice skates, old one, but from Tim Holtz a long time ago. That would be really cute with this. Okay, so I have 2 of those. The 3x4 journaling cut aparts. Here are the 4x6s. That reminds me of New York. Hoping your holiday season is filled with joy. And we have a floral pattern on the back with poinsettias. Some of you might say poinsettia. I say poinsettia. Maybe it's okay to say it either way. Okay, then we have 4x4s. Again, you gotta love a snow globe. Oh, that's cute. It's like a building, like a store with the windows decorated, and then it's got the bow on it like it's a package. That's clever. Letters to Santa. Again, I have 2 of each of these. And then we have our city. So to me, this is a good combination of an adult paper, but it also could be geared more for a younger person also. I mean, what child wouldn't like going to get their Christmas tree and put it on top of their car? Okay, variety of sizes here. Great selection of the cut aparts. That's nice. And then some wrapped packages. 2 of those. So here we have a full 12x12 picture, but you can still, cut it to what you need. And then the back side is going to be a red like the stripe here looks a little bit, it's probably a lighter shade of red, but it almost kind of looks orange to me in a way. And this one's called Christmas City Scene. Okay. But look at how many different pages we have, lots. Okay, there's that cute little car with the tree on it. And we have a green, real pretty color, green on the back. This is called Christmas Tree Cab. Christmas Tree Cab. So New York, that's the city. Got our decorated Christmas trees with a kind of a slate color in the background with kind of a gray, dark gray pattern on it. This is called Light Up the Tree. So I don't have the collection kit, I have individual sheets. And so that's why I am showing you 2 of each. This will be my favorite. I also have a snow globe die from Country Craft Creations that I'm gonna have to dig out and use with this. Then we have green on the back. This is the Merry Christmas Snow Globe page. We've got the red background with snowflakes. I really like that. And then again, kind of a bluish slate color, but this is called Merry Snowflake Sky. I really like that one. We've got our nutcrackers and a green plaid in the back. It's actually called Nutcracker Line. And we're still going, we still have more. Okay, lots of different Christmas ornaments in different shapes with more of a gold on the back. This one is called Painted Ornaments. We've got our floral pattern, our foliage, whatever you want to call it. A bluish background, you've got your greens, real light, a light red is what I'll call this. And then there's some red berries and another nice plaid. Good mixture of patterns with more of a subtle paper to go with it. This was Peace on Earth Pines. So those are pine. And I have some of the solids, the coordinating solids to go with it. So we've got red on one side and a green on the other. We have a navy with a burgundy color. They call it dark red. So navy and dark red. The first green you saw was called a light green. This one's called a dark green, and the other side is gold. Okay, so I am going to take one of my favorite pages. I think you probably know which one that's going to be. I just got to find it. There it is. Okay, and I have some trim that will go with it. If I can open the package. There we go. All right, so right away this stood out. I love this thick ribbon for a closure. I really like it. Okay. We've got some navy, this sheer ribbon. Let me find one that's got navy. Let's see. Oh, the scene. Okay. We have got some seam binding. This is called Natural. Okay, and we have the Luster New Gold. It's a 1/8 inch wide ribbon. I always like these two for tags, and that one too. Okay, so let me show you what the trim looks like with two other papers. We'll do the city. And where's that snowflake one? I really like that one. Snowflake, there it is. Okay, so we've got the brads. We have our chipboard elements. So that looks really good with the city street. The gold does too. I do really like the navy with the red here. Okay, so lots of fun things to play with. I will link everything in the description box. I want this to be a fairly good sized album. This will be my first year of celebrating Christmas with a grandbaby, so I want a lot of places to put in pictures. And let me kind of lay out everything. So kind of a review. I do also want to make sure that you know that they have 12 by 12 heavyweight chipboard, and it's very nice chipboard, and it's always nice and clean edges. They have different sizes too. So let me just kind of, ooh, they're going all over. Just kind of spread those out a little bit. Fun decorating elements and our trim. And don't forget, we have Halloween coming up first. So there's also the Happy Honk-Oween. All right, you better get your Christmas papers bought so that you can get your albums made and your gifts made before December's here. It'll be here before you know it. Have a great night, everybody.